Good day, everybody. Welcome once again to Flicker Brain, and a happy new year to everybody and my subscribers out there. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about arbitrage. And if you've been on this channel for a while, you notice that there is an account I've been showing throughout December. I think throughout December, I walked you guys throughout the work on that account, and you can see the account over here. So let me log into the account so you can see what we have done so far. You can see on the dashboard what we have done so far this year on this account, and everything you're seeing here is fully arbitrage. This is arbitrage traffic. Okay, so you can see the amount of page views on the site. You can even see that the RPM is high. You can see that how high the RPM. This system is very safe and it works well. Okay, you can see that the CPC is high. Actually, this site is a site that has a lot of sub niche on insurance topics. So it also have some little other sub niche, and it has a subdomain where I do different type of sub niches, and those sub niches altogether boost CPC. Okay, so you can see that the system I work well is perfectly working well in this 2026, this arbitrage method. So if you're working with this method, you won't have any issues on your account, anything like ad limits on that account. You can see how safe it is. And if you have a good account that has organic traffic, because mostly I work with account that already has a little bit of organic traffic. Okay, so if we bring that kind of account and I work on this arbitrage system on it, we can actually generate a good amount of money this year together. Okay, and for those of you that are also interested in the arbitrage system, you can check the link in the description box to reach out to me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So keep watching out, and I'll still updating you on every performance going on this account. And also when this payment is received, I'll drop a video and show you guys even the amount of invalid traffic that was gotten on the account. So stay tuned, and if you want more of this type of content, be it AdSense loading or AdSense arbitrage, you can quickly come over here and subscribe to this channel so that whenever I drop a video, you will get notified. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe, everyone out there.